This I have made it, so we have to keep a floor store like this. This attached, we can keep it, and we have to put this combination of these, and we have to keep two nail also, so that it will be more strong. So two nail you have to keep it one this side or that side. Then don't keep it using your hand, don't do. But if you have a used to have, then you have to do. This must be filled up. So to have a practice. Small children not to do that. Kai patro 4:1 is to give. Say so. This side also all you have to fill up. That side also back side to fill up from this side. So all side must be fulfilled. From this you have to fill the back side of also. Back side you have to fill it. All back side you have to fill it. This from this side. There Americano. So you have to make it like a plain like. Then kai pottu. Using the spoon only you have to do. Pottu the mero. So it is better you have to use the spoon and கையை பொத்துரும், கையை ரொம்ப பொத்துரும். ஸ்பூன் வச்சு வச்சா தான் நல்லது. Okay, let us use the spoon. Small children have to do that, and you have to take their floor stone. So you have to, it is better you have to keep it in a I'm going to keep it. So you have to keep it like this. I am making this. Ladies also can make this.